Hello students, welcome to computer class of class 3. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 1 named Computer a Machine. First of all, we will know about a machine. A machine makes our work easier. A computer is also a machine which makes our work easier and faster. Now we will discuss about computer system. A computer system is a set of integrated devices that input, output, process and store data and information. Input data means take data from user through input devices like keyboard and mouse. Output means produces result by output devices like monitor, speaker, printer, etc. Process means work on input data by CPU, then stores data in memory. Here is an image of computer system. Monitor and speaker are the example of output devices. Keyboard and mouse are the example of input devices, and CPU is the processing device. Actually, CPU is the small chip that is inside in the cabinet box. Do you know who is the father of computer system? Charles Babbage is the father of computer. Now we will discuss about parts of computer system. Two basic parts of computer system are hardware and software. Hardware can be divided into four categories like input device, output device, processing device and memory. Software can be divided into two categories like system software, application software. Discuss about hardware. The physical parts of computer system that we can see and touch are called hardware. CPU cabinet, monitor, mouse, keyboard, printer, etc. are the examples of hardware parts, which are also called devices. Then we will discuss about input devices. The devices that are used to input data into a computer are called input devices. For example, keyboard, mouse and joystick. Keyboard. A keyboard is the most important input device that helps us to input data into computer. A keyboard has 104 keys generally. Then mouse. Mouse is also an input device that known as pointing device. It controls the position of the cursor on the screen and to input commands into the computer. Then another input device is joystick. Joystick is also known as pointing device that is used in computer to play game. Then we'll discuss about output devices. The devices that display information and result of processed input data are called output devices. For example, monitor and printer. Then we will discuss about monitor. Monitor is an output device. It looks like a television screen. It is used to display whatever we type or draw as well as the result of the inputs. It is also called video VDU stands for Visual Display Unit. The information that we see on a monitor is called software. Then printer. A printer prints the output that we see on the computer screen on paper, which is called hard copy. There are three types of computer printers: inkjet printer, laser jet printer, and dot matrix printer. Then we will discuss about memory or storage devices. The devices that are used for storing data are called storage devices. Some storage devices are hard disk, CD, DVD, and pen drive. Now we will discuss about hard disk, CD, DVD, and pen drive. Hard disk. A hard disk is a device which stores huge amount of data and information. All the computers have a hard disk installed in them, which is used to store files for the operating system, software programs, and the user's personal files. Then CD. It is also a permanent storage device. It stands for compact disc. Then DVD. DVD also a permanent storage device that can store huge amount of data than CD. It stands for digital versatile disk. Then pen drive. A pen drive is a portable storage device. It is very small in size but can store a large amount of data. Then we will discuss about software. A software is a set of instructions that perform a particular task. Actually, the hardware of computer cannot work on its own. It needs instruction, the instruction that make the hardware work. Then system software. It is a set of instructions that controls the overall working of computer. Overall working of computer means input operation, output operation, and process the input data. Then application software. The software that helps to do a specific type of work is called application software. Examples of application software are MS Paint, games, WordPad, etc. Then function of a computer. A computer has mainly three functions: input, process, and output. User input data into a computer. Then computer process on input data, then produces output. First input, then process, then output. This cycle is known as IPO cycle. IPO stands for input, process, and output. Then features of computer. The main features of computer are speed. A computer can work very fast. It can process millions of instructions per second. Accuracy. A computer never makes mistakes. It always gives us the accurate result. If we input data and the set of instructions are not correct, only then a computer will produce a wrong result. Versatility. A computer can do different type of work at the same time. Then we will discuss about limitation of a computer. A computer is a powerful machine, but it has some limitations as well. First, it cannot take decision by its own. A computer has no intelligence. That's why it cannot take decision by its own. Secondly, a computer cannot make such judgments by itself. Thirdly, it affects not only the environment but also human health. These are the limitation or disadvantage of a computer. Thank you.